Okay, we're going to recreate a Celtic knot. First step is going to be to figure out what a Celtic knot is. So we'll do a Google search, we'll click on images, and as you can see there are a wide variety of Celtic knots for you to choose from. But you want to select one that you think is going to be best for you, something that's just complicated enough. And then we'll take it into Gravit. I'm going to use a landscape size for mine. And as always, I'm going to begin by importing the original image. We can try to switch back and forth between the original and then just recreate it, but this is really the easiest way. We'll center it, we'll lock it so it doesn't move, and then we'll create layers on top to recreate this Celtic knot. I'm going to start out with a circle, and I'm going to turn off the fill. We don't need a fill. We just need the border. The border is the stroke, basically. And I'm going to set my border to 18 so that I can make sure that the stroke or the border is nice and thick. And I can place it on top of the original image and adjust it just a bit, just to make sure I have it in the right place. Then I want to work on the surrounding shapes, the interlocking, almost fish-like shapes. So I need to set my border to 18 once again. Make sure that the fill is off. And I'm going to use the pen tool, hold down on Shift so you get a straight line. Now this is the secret. You do it once and then twice. You click on the points once and twice and then go to the white arrow or the sub-select tool, and you can create that shape. It's like an eye or a fish shape. So once again, use the pen tool, make sure that everything is set up. You click on one point, hold down on Shift, click on the other point, click back. That gives you two lines to work with. Make sure you select the white arrow, adjust, adjust again, and turn off the fill. Okay, same process once again, point to point, one point to a second point, then go back. Don't forget to go back. We use the white arrow, and we adjust. Okay, when you have it pretty well set up, you can, of course, make the bottom layer, the original Celtic symbol, invisible. And then what I would recommend is using the white arrow, the black arrow, to adjust the different shapes, just so you have a nice, tight structure. You can use it to make sure that one line seamlessly flows into the next.